All right, let's go ahead and begin. We have 448 times 3. How do you begin? We're going to take this number times this number, first of all, times the ones, then times the tens, and times the hundreds. All right, if you don't know about that, just follow along and it'll become clear to you. I promise we're going to make it easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy. 8 times 3 equals 24. So let's go ahead and put the 4 right here. Carry that 2 up here. And you're going to add that 2 in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. So now I'm going to take 3 times 4 equals 12, plus the 2, 14. So go ahead and put the 4 right here, carry that 1 up here, and again, we're going to add that in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. So now I take 3 times 4 equals 12. Now I can add that 1. So 12 plus the 1, 13. So I put 13 right here. That's it. That's the answer. 1,344. Ready to try another one? Yeah, let's do it. All right, gotta make math fun. All right, here we have 604 times 5. So let's go ahead and multiply. 4 times 5 equals 20. So I'm going to put the 0 right here, carry the 2. We're going to add that in a little bit. And now we start all over again. We're going to take 5 times 0 equals 0 and just drop that 2. So because 0 plus 2 equals 2. So put the 2 right there. The 2. Now we take 5 times 6 equals 30. So let's go ahead and write 30 right here. Yeah, I like that. Let's try another one. Hey, if you ever have a math problem you want me to help you with, put it down below in the comments. So I'm going to be, check out my shorts. So I'm going to be doing a lot of my subscribers' math problems on the shorts. So look for that. Here we have 555 times 5. So if you know your multiplication really fast, what is 5 times 5? Yeah, 25. You're a math ninja. So go ahead and put 25 right here. Carry that 2. Again, 5 times 5, 25, plus the 2, 27. Put the 7 right there, carry the 2. Again, 5 times 5, 25, 26, 27. Put the 27 right here. 2,775. I think we have one more, don't we? No, I think we got 2 more. All right, I'm almost ahead of myself here. 725 times 8. 8 times 5, 40. So go ahead and put the 0 right there. 4 up here. And later on, you don't have to put the plus mark. It's just a reminder when you're starting out. 8 times 2 equals 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Put the 0 right here, the 2 up here. 7 times 8, 56, 57, 58. Now we have one more to do. I just can't resist. I have to do it. Put a little... I love drawing and also making math fun. All right, let's do one more. Whoa. Don't let this scare you. I know it's a big number, 999 times 9, but we're going to take it step by step, all right? Don't let it scare you here. I know you guys are math ninjas. You can chop that up and do it in no time. 9 times 9, 81. Put the 1 right there. Put the 8 up there. 9 times 9, 81, plus the 8, 89. Put the 9 here, the 8 up there. Again, 9 times 9, 81, plus the 8, 89. It wasn't that bad, was it? Oh my goodness. Give yourself a little pat on the back there. You guys did a great job. A little fist bump. Bam! Yeah, I hope you're having a great day out there. Get outside, get some exercise, and enjoy the day. We'll talk to you later, everyone. Adios. Goodbye.